Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be reviewing AT&T Internet Air. We will see it is really worth or not. AT&T Internet Air is a fixed wireless service offering internet via 5G, marketed as an easy alternative to cable or DSL. No technician, just plug and play. It is primarily targeted at users in DSL phase, out zones or places without fibers. The pros include quick setup, online in 15 minutes, no data caps, flat rate pricing, and decent download speed in good 5G areas. Great for streaming, browsing, and light gaming, but it has major limitations. Performance varies by location. Upload speed are often low, and CG net restrict online gaming, port forwarding, and remote access. Final verdict. AT&T Internet Air is a solid upgrade over DSL for casual use, but not a replacement for fiber or cable for power users. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.